I know that I hurt you. Yeah. I was a child trying to be a man. To all my sons worldwide, all my juniors. I love you.
Okay, listen, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all for 500 subscribers. Y'all gotta be real quick because my sister came home and I'm doing this prank on her. I've been seeing this prank go around YouTube and everything, y'all. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go get the Sprite from downstairs. I'm gonna put the Mentos in it, y'all. I got the Mentos. I took them. I got them from work. Put it in the Sprite. I got the perfect hot spot, y'all. Y'all can't see my little setup, but I got the little perfect setup, y'all. I'm gonna tell her come in here, and I'm gonna tell her I'm gonna show her these cases. Because I ordered my case, and my mom was like, she wanted to order my sister's case. So I looked up cases, and I found a cute one. So I'm going to use that as an excuse for her to come in and talk to me. So we're going to go ahead and go get that started, y'all. I'm going to shake it up and everything, y'all. I'm going to leave the camera recorded. I'm going to just have to edit it. I'm going to start my hide it. Hold up. Because I'm sure y'all will be able to see her because I'm going to tell her not to sit on the bed. What I'm supposed to be doing? Oh, get a Sprite. So y'all, this is her Sprite, okay? I gotta hurry up and shut it real quick, y'all, because I'm sure I'm gonna put 3 in there, y'all. And I'm gonna put all 4 of them. I'm gonna put all 4 of them. Big reaction. This is for y'all. Give me the 500. Thank y'all. Oh, snap. Wait, I gotta hurry up and be quick. Oh, I'm scared. We're gonna shake it, y'all. We're gonna shake this mug. We're gonna shake this mug. We're gonna shake that mug. We're gonna let that mug dissolve, y'all. Hopefully it hurry up and dissolve, y'all. Do I gotta let it dissolve? It gotta dissolve, y'all. I'm gonna shake it up, y'all. Do it gotta dissolve, y'all? Do they be letting them dissolve? I don't know if they be letting it dissolve, though. I hope this don't fail, y'all. Because I swear to God, I heard about this. But that mean, bro, if they wouldn't let it dissolve, don't that mean that they would have seen it in the Sprite, right? I think so. Don't y'all think so? I think so. I think so. Oh. Did it dissolve though, y'all? They don't supposed to let this shit. I don't want it to burst on me. Find out I ain't ready to open it. Hopefully she just don't see at the bottom or something. Duda! Come here! Where's my phone, man? I want to show you these cases that this case that I'm gonna get. This mine. This one I get one for you again. That's pretty. No, what you said. You gotta practice on specific days. So we go back. Monday. So you do gotta practice on specific days. Yeah, but we just didn't go to there. You got chicken? Mm-hmm. You didn't get nothing to drink. Well, I got 2 Sprites, but I don't got enough chips for one. So, huh? Yeah. What's in here? Nothing. Ice? Yeah. Ooh! You know, I'm really mad that I gotta pay $89 to get my camera fixed. Didn't you already get it fixed? But I didn't get my camera fixed. The camera right there. But you still. I'll just do that. That was a prank, and I really thought I seen the camera, but my dumb tail decided that she probably vlogging it. It's crazy. Well, so you knew I was gonna prank you, but you know what prank I was gonna do? Yep. Y'all, it failed. She really thought once you come in the room, you see the camera right there because the brightness. You need help with the camera angle. I'm sorry. Thank you. I thought that was gonna work. She thought so, y'all. That failed. Well, dude, you ruined my prank. It was my 500 prank for my YouTube channel subscribers. You know I got 20 vision, right? I could literally see. Maybe I should have turned down the phone brightness or something. Yes, you probably did. That definitely was a epic fail. But I'm not gonna put a fail in the title though. I'm gonna let you pose for the thumbnail, and I'm gonna put Fizz on top of the thumbnail. But y'all, I'm gonna name it Epic Fail, but they ain't gonna know how I failed. But yeah, that failed though. But I got another prank. It's okay. I had another prank that's back up in my sleeve though, y'all. She ain't gonna get that one. I want to know if it tastes differently from That's why you put ice in there? Oh, it don't taste different. Didn't do anything. You just took the color off it. Here, you still have it. Dang, that failed, man. I'm kind of highly upset about that. Dang. I was really excited about that. And everything. Dang. Yeah. So is it the brightness? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's the only reason you saw it? Once I walked in, I don't know, my eye just pointed right there. And I'm like, I hope you're not pranking me. I should never say nothing though. But exactly. I should have. Then you just kept looking at it. It's like I tried to ignore you looking at it, and you just kept staring at it. I'm like, no, because at the last minute, I was like, oh, she's not pranking me. She probably just wrong it. And then, boom, she got me there. What? Hope, get out of my room, man. Why you think you special guest privileges in this jank? Y'all look at Hope. Hope, tell this YouTube hello. Y'all can see my dog for 500 subscribers. Sorry, dog. She was a big fail. She cannot prank me. I ain't say nothing. It only fell because I let the brightness stay high. Because it was something in front of it and everything. I think that's what happened. I thought the light would, like, dim. You could have put it right there. But no, because there was a lot of stuff right here. I thought the light was going to dim the light from the phone brightness. Because I turned the screen brightness up so they could see better. But that's what happened, y'all. So that's how this prank fell. And I'm still going to post it because I can't post the good pranks and I just post the bad pranks. I'm going to post this how this fell. But Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all again for 500 subscribers. Y'all got me in there. Most of y'all came from TikTok though, so shout out to my TikTok babies. You see what I'm saying? Y'all did y'all big one, gave me the 500. I was at what, 467 before I started one of those TikToks. So take a bow for yourselves. Clap, clap, clap. Don't know why she's still in my video to shoot a run.
Thumbnail.
But make sure y'all hit the description below. It should be some links in the videos. Throughout the video, it should pop up some videos for y'all to tap on and click. Y'all can go ahead and watch the Buffalo Wings Challenge. And my graduation vlog, y'all probably could watch that. But I don't know what else I'm going to see when I see. We're going to try again soon. She ain't going to see it coming. Bye.
I know that I hurt you. Yeah. I was a child trying to be a man.